UI designers are in trouble. Why? Because Figma just dropped full AI design capabilities and it's a game changer. From creating designs with simple text prompts to instant prototyping. Here's everything you need to know, and trust me, you will want to stick around for live demonstration as it's mind-blowing. Just imagine typing a simple text prompt and instantly seeing your design come to life. With Figma's AI, you can do just that, being able to replace all that lorem ipsum text across your entire design with real and meaningful content. That too, instantly. Figma's AI lets you streamline your design, making them not only visually stunning but also practical and ready for use. Think about how much time you have saved if you could prototype your entire design instantly with AI. With Figma, that's exactly what you can. Instantly turn your static designs into interactive prototypes ready to impress. Picture this, you want to change the entire color scheme of your project with just one click. How cool would that be? AI in Figma allows you to generate images and adjust color schemes instantly, giving you the flexibility to create cohesive designs effortlessly. Alright, here's the feature I am most excited about. Let's dive into a live demonstration of Figma's AI. I will start by writing a simple prompt for a pricing page for a SaaS app. With just one click, watch as Figma automatically designs the entire page. You will see it work its magic, generating everything from layout to content in seconds. Once the page is ready, you have the option to customize the color theme. Just pick a color from the palette and see how it instantly changes the entire design scheme. But it doesn't stop there. You can easily select any element on the page, add CSS properties like border radius, and even choose the perfect font to match your style. Once the page is ready, you have the option to customize the color theme. Just pick a color from the palette and see how it instantly changes the entire design scheme. But it doesn't stop there. Now, let's try something else. I will write a prompt for a landing page for Figma. And just like that, Figma creates a flawless landing page. Again, you can choose the color scheme, switch between light and dark themes, whatever suits your design. Are you amazed yet? If not, check this out. Here's an interface for an app that's already been designed. I will write a prompt for a flight search screen for this app, and within few seconds, Figma designs the entire flight search screen for me. And when I type payment screen, it instantly creates another fully designed payment interface. Of course, all colors and elements are fully customizable. Once you are satisfied with the design, just click Make Prototype and Figma automatically generates a user flow for you, connecting all these screens in a seamless interactive prototype. Let me tell you about the upcoming features now. Translating your designs instantly. Imagine breaking language barriers and reaching global audience effortlessly. Now your designs can speak any language. I can't wait for this feature. Second feature on the horizon is visual search mode. This will allow you to find designs elements visually, making the design process even more intuitive. Third feature is also a good one. Tired of messy layers? With Figma's AI, you can now rename and organize layers instantly. Keep your workspace clean and efficient. Lastly, it's the background removal feature. You can instantly remove backgrounds from images in Figma. This is perfect for creating polished and professional designs without needing any additional tools. So, what do you think of Figma's new AI features? If you are excited as I am, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more updates. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow designers. See you next time. Bye bye.